Hello, today I'll walk you through CHS Loop, a web application that will allow parents, students, and teachers to communicate more effectively. When first opening the web app, you'll first see a login modal, but let's skip this for now and go to registration. On the left sidebar, you can see registration for parents, students, and teachers. But we already have an account, so let's log in. Here, you can see announcements, events, and polls. Let me undo this filter, and here we can see all the announcements with titles, tags, and dates, as well as the content. On the left, we can filter, so if we want to see AP Chemistry, AP Economics, and AP Physics C, we will only see those classes. Also, on the right sidebar is a list of all the announcements on the page. Clicking on an announcement will navigate you there. Now let's look at events. There's no events in December, so let's look in January. Here, events are listed by the day they're on. When hovering over an event, you'll see a box to the right with more in-depth details. Also, if you scroll, it will automatically populate the page with more events. Let's look at polls now. Here, a student is able to vote on polls. Also, on the sidebar to the right, you can see new polls, which is the page we're on right now, voted polls, the polls we've already voted on, and closed polls, polls that have already closed. Let's look at new polls, new polls, and then let's vote on a poll. This poll will now automatically move to the voted section, right here. And this concludes how a student or a parent would use this app. Now let's look into what a teacher or an admin would be able to do. On the left, you can create new announcements, new events, new polls, and a new tag. Let's test creating a new announcement. Let's have the title be Test 2 and content be Test, and the tag be AP Economics. And let's publish this. Because our generator has created announcements in the future, the new announcement won't show up at the top. But if we scroll through here, we can see test 2, and we can see that it was published on December 9th. Let's create one more to prove the functionality. Test 3, test, publish. And here's test 3 with a general category, which is always seen. This same process applies for an event, a poll, as well as a tag. And this concludes the demo for CHS Loop.